Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple HTML table. So you are going to learn how to make table yourself. If you are a developer, if you are if you are interested in learning coding, now I will show you how you could make HTML table. So without wasting your time, first of all, we will just create folder for this our project. We will call this folder table. So as we don't create table, so we go open our text editor wey be say na VSC code. So from this VSC code, we go open this folder wey we just created, wey we call wey dey inside desktop, and we call am, we name the thing table. So we go look for the table, and when we see it, we click on it, select the folder. Then we don select the folder. Now we go open, we go call am student underscore tb. Let's just call am student table tb, so that we save am inside the table we just created. So we say create file, and this file we just create now, na there we go take do the table wey we want do. First of all, we go generate HTML structure wey we go call HTML. Okay, we go call HTML. So inside this table, okay, sorry, we made a mistake. We no put HTML for this. We go rename this our this thing. So we go carry HTML. That's why e no gree generate HTML structure. So we go come here, start the type our code. First of all, we go say HTML. So we go take this HTML5, now be the latest one. We go open am, e go generate HTML structure. So we no go start to dey explain this thing. If you want change this one to table, change am to table, make it just dey understandable, but no be must, as be say na learning we dey learn. So here now we go start dey do our HTML table. So we now go say table open, table close. See our table open here, see our table close here. This thing now wey dey here, this forward slash here, na im show say this table don close here, and this one wey no get forward slash, na im show say e open here. So we go begin again dey write our table. So first of all, we go put tr, which is tr na table rows. So we say table rows open, and inside this table rows open now we go first dey put our table data. So we go say okay, we go say t head open, that is table head open and table head close. So we go call the first one id, that is student id, like this, or we fit write am full, but make we just leave am like this. So to save our time, we go just copy this one here. We for just dey write am dey go, but make we just copy am here and say wetin again, we paste, make we leave am for 4, or you fit continue dey paste depending wetin we wan write inside. So the second one we go say name, abi. So the third one we go say class. The fourth one we go say subject checked. So table fit continue like that, but make we just stop here. So we don stop for this table head. So the next one wey we go create na another tr. So we go say tr open, that's table rows again open, table rows close. So from this table rows open, table rows close, let me minimize, push this one so that we go see clearly. So now we go say table columns, that's td open, table td open, td close. So inside this td, make we give the first id 1. Okay, so the second one we say Okay, should we just copy this one and paste as we do it for in the table head? So we go just copy this one, paste, copy this one, paste, copy this one, paste. So we go now come say this one here wey dey here now, we go come say 2 because we don't, okay, now 1 abi, sorry, now 1, we never get 1 before. We say, okay, we say David for the name David, abi, David. So we say the second one, wetin we call second one, we say class, we say JS1. So we say the subject, we call am English, English, English. So wetin we go do now be say we go copy the whole TR here, copy am, make we no come dey waste time say we dey edit one hard coded, make we no do hard coded. So we go copy paste so that we go just edit this one to be 2. So we go say here, make we put am Mary, say Mary. We go say here, make we put am wetin, JS what, JS 2, or we fit put am for JS 1 as that one, that first one dey. But make we just do this one wey we say okay, let's say mass. So we go copy the TR again like this, copy am, we go come this side and paste, and we go change this one to 3. Okay, we go come change this one to John. You go change this one to JS3 if you like, or leave am for that one. Change this one to, you say physics, abi, physics like this. So then we go come again, copy this one again. If we want our table to continue, we go come again, copy this one again, paste it. Then we go change this one here now to 4, because now be the number. We go change this one here to Stella. You go come say now, okay, SS1. Then we go come say this one here, wetin we go call am? Should we call am chemistry like this? So we go save am, and we go go that table for this our desktop, open it. Then we go say view, open with what? Chrome. When we open it with the Chrome, see how e display. E give us clear view here. See it, ID 1 for David, 2 for Mary, 3 for John, 4 for Stella, class 1, 2, 3, physics this and this. Now we go make am fine, we go make the table fine, make the table fine sef. So we go come back here, na CSS we go use, and we go use internal CSS. So after this title, we go open our CSS, which we go say style, to make the thing understandable. We go say style open, style close. So inside this style, now there we go put design the table. So first of all, we go say call the table name table like this, then say open and close code braces. So first of all, we go say table, let's push this table to this thing. Let's say table width, we say width, let's say 100%, so that it go stretch the whole distance, so that you go see am clearly. So we now say wetin we go call am again? We say, okay, first of all, we go include this thing here. We go include TH here. We go include TD here. Okay, so we go say again border, we say 2px solid, we say which color, we say yellow, or you say black or blue, any one you want. If it is this one you want, you say like this. If you want to change the color to make it more something more this, you put it like this, go. So after this one, you enter, you say border collapse, so that it will collapse the border, so that all of them will not have double border collapse, border collapse, border collapse. So here, so you use collapse again here. Okay, so now we have gotten this border for the th and td and this one and this one. So what we are going to do for this th and td, we are going to say th comma td comma, no comma because our statements have ended. So we say open curly braces and close curly braces. We say text align. Okay, we say center. Okay, say center. What else do we? So let's reduce this one to 50. Then we come here to this um here we say to push them in for center, we say margin left, we say auto. So we go say again margin right, we put them also auto. Okay, so our table now is set. So if you wish to change the color of anything, we come here, change it. But first of all, let's view the one we have done. So we go to the desktop where we have this table, open it, and right click, and they say open with Chrome. Then you see our table is ready. Just simple. It's not hard, it's not something. So if you like this video, share it and subscribe to our YouTube so that you see more tips. So you'll also see how you can use AI to make this thing in 1 minute. It's not hard, like I said, it's simple. Bye. This is Brain Sharpener, where we sharpen your brain.